Welcome back to Puppet Talk. It's a Halloween. It's a Halloween-ish edition, if I do say so. You can see, got some Halloween boxes around here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh boy. All right. So.
Is episode like 5 or something?
Yeah. Well, guess what? I got some news.
What?
We have a special guest.
Oh wait, yes. 1 sec, I'll go get him right now.
Okay. What?
Bitch, you didn't see that. Do you want to know why? Because I'm Ted Bear, and I did you. How to survive?
I thought we had a special guest. Bobby, I know that's you.
What? I'm not Bobby. I'm Ted Bear. Try to keep up.
What? How did we get here?
Okay, guys. So
Gerald, what are you doing here?
in this scenario, we are now deep in the Amazon rainforest looking for a lost girl.
Lost girl? What?
Yes.
What do you mean lost girl? I don't think we have to look for a lost girl.
No, she's been kidnapped by someone.
No.
Yeah, she has.
I don't think anyone's been kidnapped. I mean, like, I haven't heard it by anyone.
Well, it's been all over the news.
Really?
Yes.
Well, I don't really have TV. I mean, yeah. I totally saw that because we are the news, right?
We're a small segment of it.
Yeah.
Okay, so we know she's somewhere near here. We'll catch you guys later once we found her location. Okay, did you hear that? I think most of us heard that.
I think that was you.
No, it wasn't me. I heard it come from over there in that shed. Let's go over, take a closer look.
How do you know this stuff?
I use my ears, right? Why do you care?
Well, no one's in this shed. I guarantee you $1,000,000. No one is in this shed. Okay, if someone's in the shed, just kill me. Get the camera out of my.
I swear, I heard it come from the shed. Let's go take a closer look. This.
I mean, yeah, no, totally fine. I'm totally fine. I don't know. There's no one in here.
Open the door. Oh my gosh, in here!
Yeah, please help.
I wonder who did this to her.
Yeah, no clue.
Haha. Remember me? Oh my gosh, it's you! And you'll never believe. Bobby, take off your mask.
Yeah, help me.
Yes, as you're gonna see my plan is...
You.
No, I'm not evil. I'm perfect. No, mate, you are evil. You can be quiet.
Help.
Wait a second. This is a news show.
Yeah, people can see you.
Welcome back, mates. So, I have something I want to share too. You'll never believe this, trust me.
He hurt me.
We're not talking about him.
He just hurt.
Guys, I'm not actually Ted Bear.
What?
The truth is, I'm... Kidding.
I knew it!
No, you didn't.
Remember?
Bobby, you didn't know.
Oh, okay. Well, I got kidnapped.
Kidnapped, schmidnapped. You want me to save you?
How?
I did.
How?
That just explain why you were acting extremely weird. Well, what is that guy's name? Oh, Little Jeffy.
Oh, Jeffy.
Yes. That's why That's why he/you were acting really strange.
Yeah.
Do we have a sponsor?
Yes.
So do
Halloween decorations. You have them on your table.
Oh yes. I thought those were just another decoration.
Well, yeah, they are.
Well, anyway, hope you enjoyed this episode of Puppet Talk. Hope to see you next time.